In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable read receipts in Outlook. Read receipts let you ask the recipient's mail app to ping you when they open your message, which can be helpful for tracking important emails. Keep in mind, read receipts aren't guaranteed. Some inboxes block them, some organizations disable them, and recipients can choose not to send a receipt. With that in mind, here's how to request one for a single email in Outlook on the web. Start by going to Outlook in your browser and signing in so you're looking at your inbox. Give the page a second to load fully. You'll know you're ready when you can see your folders and the compose controls. Next, click New to start writing a message. In some layouts, this button may say New Message, or it may appear as a plus icon near the top left. Either way, you're opening a fresh compose window. If you see a small menu after clicking New, choose Mail to make sure you're creating a standard email and not a calendar event or something else. That will bring up the email composer with the two subject and message body fields. Inside the compose window, open the options menu. Depending on your screen size, this can appear directly as options on the toolbar, or it might sit under the three dots labeled More Actions. You're looking for the message-specific settings that control tracking. Now, select Request Read Receipt. In many views, this is a simple checkbox or toggle. When it's on, Outlook will attach a read receipt request to this one message. You can proceed to address your email and write your content as usual. When the recipient opens it, you may receive a notification or a tracking note in your sent item, provided their system honors the request. A couple of quick tips for clarity. A read receipt is different from a delivery receipt. Delivery confirms the message reached the recipient's server, while a read receipt is about the message being opened. Also, use read receipts thoughtfully. Some people view them as intrusive and they won't work in every situation, such as when recipients read mail in plain text apps or previews. That's it. Go to Outlook, click New, choose Mail, open Options, and turn on Request Read Receipt for the message you're sending. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you communicate with more confidence.